Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're studying preparing well for the examination. So now here I'll be giving you the trick how to find logarithm and anti-logarithm in simplest way. Okay, so usually this is the psychological mind. All the students, what they will do while seeing the logarithm and the question answer, they will leave it as it is. They will go for the next question. Okay, so here I will give you this fantastic trick. Don't leave the question answer, that logarithmic question, so that will give you the mark and so easily. Okay, so now we'll go for the video. Fine. So in this video we are going to see how to use the anti-log, log and anti-log without using the log table. So usually they will provide the log table, we have to wait for the log table. That will waste your time. Okay, so don't waste the time. So if you are memorizing the simple things, so you will get the good marks in your examination. So whichever is it is we are having, which questions are having the logarithmic part. Fine. Then now we'll go for the video. So in that, so first we should know logarithm. So only few things we should memorize. So what are all the things? Okay, the identities of logarithm we should memorize. So what are all the identities? See, log e, that is equal to 2.303 log 10. So usually what we will do with in the exam, so in the problems and all will be using only the log 10, log base 10. Okay, so if they are giving you the log e, so you have to transfer it as a 2.303 into log base 10. Okay, so next important one is the log of a into b. So log of a into b, that is equal to log a plus b. So whatever is there in the product, so if you are using the logarithm, that will change it as a addition part. The next one, if it is there in the division, so it will change it as a subtraction part. So log a by b, that is equal to log a minus log b. Okay, so next one is, this is very important. So for that, simplification. So for simplifying, so we will be using this one, log a power b, that it will transform it to b log a. Okay, the next one, log 10 base 10, that is equal to 1, and even log e base e, that is equal to 1. Okay, so log e is log a and then base e, that is equal to 1. So these are all the very important identities that you have to memorize it. There is no other way. If you are memorizing it, it will be easy for you in your examination. So you can simplify everything and you can do it off. Fine. So next one is, apart from that, few more identities are there. Why? Because in 11th and 12th student will be using to find the pH. So in that time they will be using you the negative identities, negative logarithm. So in that, how to use a negative logarithm? If it is log a b power x, means that will change it as a log a plus x into log b. So how it will change? See, this will transfer as a log a plus log b power x. Again this x it will come as a x log b. See this identity. So it will change as a log a plus x into log b. The next one, minus log of x into 10 power minus y, means that will change as a y minus log x. Okay, so this identity it will work for the negative logarithm. So if it is a positive logarithm, means definitely it will change as a minus y plus log y. Okay, so you don't get confused with this. Only these things are very important. You memorize it, and then while doing the problems you will get to know what is the use of these identities. Okay, so next one, you should know some of the logarithmic values also. So while using that value, you don't want to wait for the logarithmic table. Immediately you can finish off your problems. So what are all the values? See, the log 1 is always it is 0, and the log 2 is always it is 0.3, and log 3 is 0.47, and log 5 is 0.7, and the log 7 is 0.85, and the log 10 is 1. Okay, so these values are very important. You have to memorize it off, otherwise it will be very difficult in doing the problems. Okay, so only this much is enough. So remaining it will come as by using the identities you will come to know. Okay, so let us do some problems, so then you will come to know how to use a logarithmic. Okay, see, first I will give you the simple example and then we will go for the complicated one. The simple example, so we have seen some values, right? So in between some values are missed, so log 4 is missed. So how to find out the log 4? So log 4, how we will make it? See, so I can make it 4 as 2 into 2. So if it is 2 into 2, so we have seen it is a b, right? So AB format. So log of A into B means what we will do? So log A plus log B. So now we will change it as a log 2 plus log 2. So what is the value of log 2? It is 0.3 plus 0.3. Okay. So now it will change it as a 0.6. Fine. So log 4 value is 0.6. Now see log 8. Log 8, how we will make it? Log of 2 into 2 into 2. So instead of 2 into 2 into 2, so we will make it as 2 power 3. Okay. So log A power B, what will happen? So log A power B log A, it will come, right? So this power it will come to the front. So 3 into log 2. So it will change as a 3 into 0.3. So the answer is 0.9. So the log 8 is 0.9. So next one is a log 6. Log 6 is log 2 into 3. So it will change as a log 2 plus log 3. So log 2 is 0.3 and log 3 is 0.47. So it will change as a 0.77. Fine. The next one is a log 2.5. Okay. So log of 2.5, how we can make it? That is an important point. Okay. So initially you should change. So how to change? So see here log. So the decimal points we have to remove. So for removing those decimal points, so what we are making it here? 25 into 10 power minus 2. So again it will change as a into B format. So A into B format, A log A plus log B it will come. Okay. So log 25 plus log 10 power minus 2. Okay. So again what are the changes here? Log of 5 square we can make it, right? 25 it will change as a 5 square plus this 2 minus 2 it will come to the front, no? So minus 2 log 10. So always we know that the log it is a base 10. Okay. Now log 5 square 2 log 5 plus that is minus 2. Log 10 is 1. Okay. Now 2 into what is the log 5, students? Log 5 is 0.7. Okay. Minus 2. Here it will change as 1.4 minus 2, that is equal to 0.6 minus 0.6. That is the answer. Okay. Now next problem. This is negative logarithm. Negative log of 5 into 10 power minus 12. So we will make it as negative log of, so negative I am taking it outside. So log 5 plus log 10 power minus 12. Okay. So negative I will keep it as it is in the outside. Okay. So negative log 5 plus this minus 12 it will come to the front, log 10. Okay. Now again negative log 5 minus 12 into 1. Fine. Okay. Now so we are taking the negative inside. So minus log 5 minus into minus plus 12. So 12 minus log 5 is 0.7. So 11.3 is the answer. Okay. So next one. Minus log of 2.21 into 10 power minus 12. This is a little complicated one. I have taken this example to ensure you how to do this problem. Okay. See here, if it is a complicated one, you cannot reduce the values also next to the decimals. Fine. For those type of problems, what we have to do? First, to simplify the problems, and then you can work out. Okay. See, minus log 221 into 10 power minus 14. Hope you can understood. See, this decimal I have removed it. It will make it as a 10 power minus 2. So minus 2 plus minus 12, it is minus 14. Okay. Now I have changed it as a 14 minus log. I have simplified the steps. You can work it out and you will come to know so how I have simplified the step. So after this, what we have to do, immediately you just go for the LCM part. 221. You do the LCM. 2 1 1 0 2 again 5 5 again 2 again here it is a 2 2s are 4 7 2s are 14 2 this is 1 3 2s are 6 2 6 2s are 12 2 and 3. So now how it has changed? 14 minus log of 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 power 6 into 3. Fine. So remaining things you can leave it up, no problem. So 14 minus log of 2 power 6 plus log 3. So again it will change it as a minus 6 log 2 plus log 3. Okay. Now 14 minus 6 into log 3 is 0.3 and then plus log 3 is 0.47. Okay, now 14 minus 6 into 3 is 1.8 plus 0.47. Okay, so 1.8, 0.47, 7, 2, 1, 2.27. 14 minus 2.27, 2.27, that will give you 3 and then 7, 3, 7 and then 11. So 11.73 is the answer. Hope you can you would understand how to use the logarithm in your examination point of view. And if this is the first time if you are watching the video, means please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. That will be useful for the future videos and like the video. Thank you. Stay tuned. Bye.